Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video today. Today's date is now June the 18th, a Tuesday, and I'm going to keep this one very short. We're just going to do a quick market analysis to see how Bitcoin is trending and also how the entire market in general is trending as well. So for those that don't know me, my name is Philakone. I've been in the crypto game for about 9 years now. In 2015, I started with literally $2,000. I was mining Ethereum in my parents' basement, and by 2017, I actually accumulated a total of 400 Ethereum. 200 were mined, 200 were bought well under $10. And then in July of 2017, I sold 400 Ethereum and I sold it for about $150,000, which changed my life. I took that money, I put it back into the crypto market. I bought coins like EOS, IOTA, and Umizi Go specifically. I bought more Ethereum, and then I also caught XRP going up as well. So those five coins made me my first $1 million in 2017. And then since then, I've just been accumulating more dollar cost averaging during bear markets, understanding the cycle of how Bitcoin and the bull market oscillates every 4 years. And with enough experience and time under your belt, you too will be hyper successful. But first, you need to understand technical analysis. You need to understand how the market works and how it operates so far on a 4 year cycle. So let's take a look at Bitcoin and see how it's been doing thus far. So Bitcoin right now is still trying to smash. My prediction still is sound between around $57,000, $58,000. And the major reason I say that is because this green box right here is going to be where the 50 EMA and also the 4-day chandelier exit indicator meets. What this does is it measures the volatility of the market. It basically acts as a support. But instead of looking for moving averages, which gives you the average price, what it does is it measures the volatility for you. And if there's a change in volatility in the market, it will indicate it through this green line breaking and turning red. And you can see that multiple times the indicator has turned from green to red. And then multiple times it's actually bounced as well. So you can see that over here, it's bounced. You can see here, it's actually bounced as well. So it makes very much so sense for me to target somewhere between the $57,000 and $58,000 region. Every single indicator from daily time frame to the weekly time frame, MACD to RSI, they're all indicating bearish movement to the downside, especially the weekly. That's heading to the downside extremely hard right now. And then you can also see that on the 4-day, it's heading down as well. On the daily chart as well, it's not really finding any type of stability going to the upside or even recovering slightly in any way. And then if we take a look at the total 3 market cap over here, we can see that the decline has been huge ever since we've dropped below this specific trend line support, which I'll show you. A lot of people were saying I was drawing gibberish, but it made perfect sense to me. And the thing about trend lines is not everyone's going to agree with them. So I started from the base over here, which was the bottom of this trend. And then I just drew it cutting upwards like this. And you can see that it hits multiple points over here, 2 over here, 1 there, 1 there. It even breaks to the downside over here. It tried to bounce here, but it failed. Not only did it break to the downside, but this guy right here indicated that it tried to come back up, but that failed. And then it continued its sharp decline down by over 13%. So the altcoin market is absolutely bleeding right now. The crypto market cap in general has dropped substantially already by about 13%. Altcoins are getting hit the absolute worst. Since the high there in June, we've dropped about 18% already. So the market is steadily declining right now, and I don't expect any type of major bounce until we get down to that $57,000, $58,000 support range. Of course, there might be some relief rallies, and there might be some rallies to the upside, maybe to 68, 69, even 70K. It's possible because these rallies do occur during drops. But overall, I don't expect a major support level until we hit that $58,000 region. So make sure you're bracing yourself for a very cold crypto winter summer. So now let's take a look at the volatility scanner. This volatility scanner of mine, it looks for volatility in 4 ways. It looks for volatility if anything moves over 5% movement in 1 hour, 10% movement in 2 hours, 15% movement in 4 hours, or 20% movement in 2 days. If any of these criterias are actually met, then there's going to be the coin highlighted green. So you can see that only one coin is highlighted green right now, and that's Unfi. So Unfi is the only coin that's moved in any way according to this volatility scanner. So Unfi moved about 20.5% in the past 2 days. So after this volatility scanner indicates something to you that it's moved, what you would want to do is you'd want to go to the coin and take a look at what's going on. And you can see that Unfi is the only coin that's moving against how Bitcoin is moving. So this could potentially be a good coin to trade. You can see over here that it's moved a substantial amount over 2 days already. So you would be gravitated to that coin and you would say to yourself, okay, well, this might be a really good coin to trade. The reason I built this scanner is so anytime anything is moving, I'm able to detect it immediately and I can go to that coin and trade it. You never miss out on any volatile coins. So just imagine in the bull market where you have this and something is moving, you're brought to the attention of that coin right away, then you can trade it right away and make a decision to long it or short it or wait for a continuation pattern or even wait for a pullback. This is the number one indicator that's going to tell you the general vibe of the market as well. You can see here that because only Unfi is the one coin that's highlighted green and basically everything is red. If you just eyeball it, you can see there are way more red than there are green. So because of that, you can easily assume that the market is horrible. So it also gives you a gauge of the entire market as well. Now I'm going to flip it to the bearish side for you and show you how bearish this is from the red side. So this is searching for the exact same thing, but instead of highlighting it green to find things that move to the upside, what this is now doing is it's looking for the red ones. You can see that anything that has moved more than 20% down in 2 days gets highlighted, or down 5% in 1 hour, or down 10% in 2 hours, or down 15% in 4 hours. So you can just see a wide variety of coins like RAT or SAT or AJAX or ETHFI or FET. All these coins here have moved more than 20% to the downside. So it has great applications in a bear market as well because it's going to tell you which ones have moved substantially so you can be brought to that coin's attention and you can make a decision on maybe if you want to short it further and look for a continuation. So let's say something's moved up or down 5% in 1 hour. It can highlight green or red here for you. And as soon as that happens, you never miss a volatile coin again. This is the only indicator out in the market that does something like this, and it took me a very long time and a lot of money to actually develop it. So I just wanted to give you guys a very quick overview of how Bitcoin is doing and also an overview based off of this indicator. This volatility scanner of mine tells me that the market is horrible. Both the bearish and the bullish scans are horrible in terms of the bullish scans shows only one coin, Unfi, moving more than anything that meets the criteria of my scanner. And also this scanner can be customized. It doesn't need to be in these settings only. You can customize however you want through any time frame that you want, through any period that you want. You can also set up alerts for it as well. So it's a highly customizable scanner. It also has a way of looking for a chandelier exit support so you can find something to long. So the applications are unbelievable. If you're interested in this scanner of mine, guys, just take a look at the link below. I charge $150 for it for a lifetime access to this scanner. But right now, because the market's slower and I want to help people out, DM me before you buy it or after you buy it, and you will get a special present, which could be one of my courses for investing or for day trading, or you might even get a Discord membership as well for free for a few months just to help out. And the only reason I'm charging is because it took a lot of time and it took a lot of money to develop this indicator. So other than that, still bearish for the day. It's a brutal day to be day trading if you are trying to long anything. But for the short opportunities, there's plenty out there. So for those that are keen to day trade and capitalize on this market's volatility to the downside, make sure you guys are staying active because there's tons of opportunity. Other than that, if you are enjoying these updates of mine, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, guys. Please do. I would really appreciate it. And hit the like button to let me know I'm doing a great job and you want more of this type of content. Have yourselves a great day, everybody, and thank you for joining me. Bye now.